Hi, Mango.
Mango.
Did you find some mangoes on the trail?
More mangoes. Here, you have this one. You have it. Outside. Thank you.
These are just off trees?
Yeah.
Guatemala provides.
Always.
Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So in our last video, which is actually the first episode of this series, we talked about how we're trying to find the joy in filming again. But Grace made a great point that
You don't know us.
yeah, who are we and why the heck should you care?
Yeah. So we're gonna take a little time, just a short and sweet story of why we're here and why you should care. If you want the longer version of our love story, because we will be giving the short and sweet version,
Leave it in the comments.
let us know in the comment section because it's a good one. It's some, as Chris would like to say in his vows.
And if that's not some serious Hallmark shit, I don't know what is.
So we had our first date at a brewery outside of Cincinnati, Ohio back in 2021. And from that first date, we knew we were very serious about each other. We both wanted to travel as much as possible, and we had previously lived pretty unconventional lives
And wanted to continue that.
wanted to continue that streak, I guess.
Yeah.
We both wanted to move abroad. We knew that was a dream of ours. I had a trip scheduled the next year, a 3-month trip through Central Asia, hitchhiking with a buddy.
He left me.
It didn't take very long to realize that I could not live without her. So I came home and
We got engaged, I don't know, 2 months later, and I kind of kept ruining it because I would keep like jokingly guessing his engagements. Like I'd be like, I bet you're gonna hide it during the scavenger hunt today, or
all
you
of
know,
her mystery novels and crime shows has made her
a detective.
a serious
I
detective.
kept figuring it out.
So I ended up proposing to her after she got off of work at like 11 p.m. underneath my parents' first ever Christmas tree, which was super
It was
magical.
super romantic. He nailed it. It was a great surprise.
Thank you. Spent the next 7 months planning the wedding. Well, Grace did. She planned a beautiful, kick-ass budget wedding.
It was on a budget because we knew pretty early on that we wanted to have an incredible honeymoon. So the wedding was a little bit smaller than the typical. It was definitely, like Chris said, on a budget. We focused on saving a lot of money, but you know, we still wanted to have a really great day, wanted to remember, and we did. It was an absolute beautiful day.
Check out that hair.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I forgot about your man
My
bun.
man bun.
You know, it was honestly just a really beautiful day. So grateful that we had a beautiful wedding, but it led to saving all that money so we could have an even more incredible honeymoon.
Crazy honeymoon. We started off in Western Europe, finished in Eastern Asia over the course of 6 months.
It was amazing.
Saw so many beautiful places, made incredible memories together.
Yep.
Something that will live forever.
Oh, always. And
For
we
us.
actually did, you know, start the YouTube channel during that time. So a lot of this is like eternal memories for us.
Yeah.
Because we were able to record the beginning of our honeymoon. We kind of slacked off towards the end, but it was
For
a
sure.
really great time because we started it as like a video diary, really, like a vlog, just to remember our honeymoon by and have fun and enjoy the memories.
And document, everything that was going on forever. And if
Yeah.
something happened out of that, cool.
Amazing.
If not, no worries. We got memories, right?
Yeah, exactly. And we actually ended up having so much fun making videos for YouTube and ended up getting monetized on YouTube because of it. And then
Yeah.
YouTube kind of became this like option for us.
We started asking ourselves, what if, right? We moved back home to Cincinnati, Ohio, because we needed money. After
course.
6 months, needed to find jobs.
And we did pretty much like immediately find jobs.
But with how incredible those jobs were, we still realized, that dream, that option of YouTube was still there. that's actually when we got Mango
Yeah.
as well. And
When
that's
we were
when
living downtown.
Mango came into our lives, a little potato fur ball.
Oh my gosh, he was so cute when he was a baby.
The most adorable puppy. But as amazing as those jobs were, we knew that something was still missing. We wanted to...
We still had that dream of like moving abroad and like living abroad and traveling full time and doing the unconventional.
Experiencing other cultures together, giving back, consuming less. You know,
all of that stuff.
All of the stuff that we are trying to align our lives with now.
And we just didn't feel like where we were was really fulfilling any part of that dream. So that got us thinking, why don't we just do it? Let's just sell everything, quit our jobs, and move abroad.
Exactly. So fast forward about 2 years, and here we are living on beautiful Lake Atitlan. I guess I couldn't shut up about it when we were dating. We decided on here. I had been here before. I had some connections, some friends in the community. I knew that it was very easy to get involved with the community here, to get involved in volunteering. And it's something that somewhere I wanted to live. I mean, this is probably one of the most beautiful places
in the world
we've ever experienced in the world, coming from people that have been to close to 70 countries together. There's a reason that Guatemala brought us here. And so now we're living in a tiny house here.
Yeah, and we love it.
On the side of a volcano, and we love it. And so let's show
you. Want to show them?
Yeah, let's go show them just a tiny bit of the house. It's not much.
No, but it's all we need. I mean, kitchen, bathrooms back there, bedrooms up here. You want to take them up to the bedroom?
Yeah, but office right there, living room where we enjoy
our TV time.
Tons of TV time. Ted Lasso.
Yeah, we're currently binging Ted Lasso.
It definitely got us into the World Cup.
Oh yeah.
Energy. All right, so now that you're completely caught up, we've had so much fun over the last year and a half creating these travel vlogs. We've been all over Guatemala, and we just wanted to say a quick thank you to you, our Patreon and YouTube members, and anyone else who has enjoyed our videos. We're so thankful, but we left the US to have a better work-life balance, to slow down and get involved in the community. And so far, we've done one of those things. Right?
Yeah, we're definitely looking to get more of a work-life balance and enjoy the little things again, live with more intentionality, consume less, and just be happier, because we were feeling a little stressed out making those types of videos. And now we're looking forward to starting this new series of just enjoying our life again.
The everyday
life, because we really believe that our life is so beautiful and there's so much to enjoy and so much to show you. So we can't wait to do that. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you in the next one. But check out this view.
Yeah.
Oh, Blancha, perfect.
Yeah, I mean, this is what we wake up to.
Every day, these are our windows.
It's not fair.
Look at this. Don't mind our mosquito net back here. It is a necessity.
It is.
Oh my gosh.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Bye.